A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. So it's given a balloon always remains a spherical shape. So we need to think about a sphere. And on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Means discussing about the volume. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. So we need to find the dA by dr by dt. So let us consider, let r be the radius of spherical balloon. So we can consider sphere, and V be its volume of sphere, and then it's given that, so dV by dt is equal to 900 cubic centimeter per second. Then find the rate, and to find the rate at which the radius of the balloon, that is dr by dt, we need to find at r is equal to 15. Okay, now let's consider volume of sphere. We have volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. So that's V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now then differentiating with respect to t, so we will have dV by dt is equal to 4 by 3 times of pi into r cube, differentiation is 3r square into dr by dt. So dV by dt is given 900. So let's substitute. 900 is equal to, so here 3 and 3 get cancelled, 4 pi r square into dr by dt, or we can write dr by dt is equal to, so 900 upon 4 pi r square. So this is rate of change of radius, and we have to find the rate of change of radius when r is equal to 15. So let's substitute it. Dr by dt is equal to, so 900 upon, so dr by dt at r is equal to 15. At r is equal to 15 is equal to 900 upon 4 into pi into r square, that is 15 into 15. So now let's cancel here. So let's take here 5 table, 5 3s are, and again here 5 1s are, 5 180 times, and again here 360 times, and here 15 4 times, and again 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So we are getting dr by dt at r is equal to 15 is equal to 1 upon pi. So we can write 1 upon pi centimeter per second. So we can give a conclusion that the rate of change of the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases, the rate of change of the radius of the balloon is 1 upon pi centimeter per second. Since it is positive, so we can say it's an increasing. So it's increasing at the rate of 1 upon pi centimeter per second. Okay, thank you.